Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I want to present you the best cleaning company WordPress themes right now on the market. So the first one is EcoClean. You'll have links down below in the description. And as you can see, EcoClean is a top notch for cleaning services. What I really like is that you can download the template and then just use it, right? So EcoClean is a top notch right now. And the second one I have is a Clinics. Again, this is a WordPress theme that you can use. And they get also good reviews. And they're really great if you want to start your own company. So these two are great. When I go home, I can go to About, you got Services tab, blog pages. I really like how lean it is. Scroll down below. Then you're gonna see it here, choose your plan, take our service, request an estimate. Feels good, right? You can have also blocks here and right, and the footer looks amazing. So this Clinics is good too. EcoClean is great too that you want to use. And yeah, so these two I recommend for using. Also the pixel is there, but you don't have the preview here of, you don't have too many reviews about this. But you can use it too if you want. So yeah, thank you very much everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.